Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am doing a video. It's been a long time since I've done an evening video, but the nights are just getting dark so quickly now, so gotta film in the dark, and it's not often that we have an evening off of activities, so I thought I would take this chance to just try out some new products from Essence. I was at the drugstore the other day and I saw these on the display and had new beside them. How long they've been new might be a little longer than how new that I think they are, but I haven't tried them before and I wanted to try them out for you guys on camera. I love using Essence products. They are the affordable brand and they are good quality, and I love experimenting and trying out their new products. So we have a blush. So Blush Crush, I got this in the shade Deep Rose, and I loved the look of it because it was like this brown rose, I guess hence the name Deep Rose, but I really like the mix of like a bronze rosy tone together. So excited to try that out. A Meta Glow highlighter. So I have the liner that goes with this, the Meta Glow eyeliner. So this is a highlighter. Is it in a shade? It just says Duo Chrome, so I thought that would be fun. Haven't bought a new highlighter in a long time. We'll see how that looks, as well as the Meta Glow lipstick. So this is supposed to be lip color changing. I've never tried one of those before, so I was like, that could be fun to try out and see how it works on the lips. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these products look on the skin, then just keep watching. So I already have today's makeup on my face, so I don't have to put on any more makeup. So I'm going to go in to the blush first, and I'm just going to use my Real Techniques 204 brush. This is a buffing brush. It's going to be a little bit more dense, so it'll pick up a little bit more pigment. Want to see this on camera, so I don't mind using something with a little bit more of a dense bristles, just so we can see how this blush looks. I'm on to my second head cold of the season, which sucks, but I'm getting through it. Okay, this is really pretty. Got almost a peach undertone to it too. And it's just got like a nice glow almost to it as well, which is cool. I really like this color. It's like a mix of using your bronzer and blush together. I really like how that looks on the skin. That looks really nice. And these are just so affordable. I think this was like maybe $5.99 Canadian. So definitely a far cry from the $20 blush that I bought from Maybelline that just, I don't really enjoy that one that much. But this has a nice kind of little bit of matte but like soft glow to it, and a really pretty tone as well. Really, really pretty. I just changed the color on my ring light for a minute just so you can see the warmth. This ring light is set for a little bit more of a golden undertone, but that's kind of more what this shade looks like in person. Like the ring light just kind of fades it a little bit. It's a little bright, but I need it because it is so dark out. But yeah, it's got more of a warm golden rosiness. All right, let's go in with this highlighter. I'm going to just swatch it on my hand first to see. Oh la la, yeah, this is very chromy, very pink and purpley and frosty. This will be good. This will be really vibrant on the skin. First off, I'm going to try it on my lid, so I'm just going to go in with a flat brush and see if I can pick up some of this pigment and just put it on my lid first, just to try it out. So it definitely has more of a purple undertone to it. It looks white in the pan, but when the light reflects off of it, it's more of a purple lilac color. But yeah, you could definitely use this as an eyeshadow if you wanted to. Let's see. Put a little bit on my nose. Ooh. Yeah, you looking frosty when you have this on. Now I'm going in with the fan brush and I'm going to pop that up on the cheekbones. So I think that is where I would just prefer to use this, as this color, especially this shade, is just up on the cheekbones. Even if you were to use it with like a plum, that would probably be really pretty. But if you like a violet highlighter, this one is Meta Glow. It is so reflective on the hand. Wow. When you turn it one way, you see kind of pink and orange, and then you go the opposite way and you see like the violet and the frosty kind of undertone to it. All right, let's try out the Meta Glow lipstick. It says on the packaging that it stains the lips pink, and it smells really good. It smells like candy, and it's got like crystals in it. Not crystals, glitter. Looks really pretty. It looks cool. All right, this is very like early 2000s, the glowiness, which is cool. I was listening to the Spice Girls today, so it's very on par with the vibe of today. This smells so good. That is a nice pink color. It's hydrating. It feels very hydrating on the skin. Feels like a nice, creamy chapstick. That's a pretty pink color. I like it better in person than I do on camera because my face looks warmer in person. It's looking pretty cool on camera. So I think my favorite of the three is the lipstick, the Meta Glow lipstick. It feels so hydrating on the lips, and I really like the tone. I think the purple in my eyes is kind of throwing it off for me right now, but separately, I think, well, the blush and the lipstick will go nice together, but I think the highlighter would be for a different look. But it is actually really pretty and frosty. If you are looking for something like that right now, definitely give that one a try. It's very duochrome. It's very, very reflective. But yeah, I would highly recommend the Meta Glow lipstick, color changing lipstick. It's really cool, inexpensive, affordable makeup from Essence. It's awesome. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and trying out these 3 new products with me from Essence. And thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.